Clouds to the north, clouds to the south, and in between we've got skies trying to clear, but we've also got some haze. Now this is our view from Southeast Community College, and I've got it zoomed in on the state capitol. Usually we can see the state capitol pretty easily, but definitely some haze in the sky because it's not very clear, similar to what the polls are saying for the elections as they're trying to get into the state house as well. We'll figure that out, who's going to be running against whom later on this year. Now, as we take a live look right now from Honda of Lincoln off to the south and west, clear skies, but again, that haze is in the sky. The sun is going to be somewhat filtered, if not even have kind of an orangish brown tint to it, because there is some smoke in the air from the fires that are thousands of miles away down into New Mexico. Now, right now, you can see it on visible satellite imagery, this clearing that's taken place right through here. That's where we're seeing the haze. To the north, it's the low stratus clouds that are keeping temperatures into the 60s and 70s. To the south, we've got a warmer, humid air mass. That's why we're seeing more of the popcorn cumulus clouds popping up over that area. So it's kind of interesting to see the three different air masses that we have in place right now. And here's the front that is located right smack where that clearing is at. South of it's the warm humid, north of it's the cooler. And you can see the humid air for sure because dew points right now are 56 in Lincoln, and they've been creeping up a little bit as this front's been getting closer. Southern Lancaster County, the humidities or the dew points are probably in the 60s. Now 70-degree dew point in Beatrice, 72 in Falls City, but a very, very comfortable mid-40s as you head out towards Grand Island and Kearney and up towards Columbus. And that's where temperatures remain cooler in the 60s. It's 73 degrees right now in Lincoln and 83 degrees now in Beatrice. And you can see the difference also from the winds. Southerly winds to our south, northerly winds on the north side of the front. So we know in Lincoln, at least at the airport, the front hasn't passed yet because we still have a northeasterly wind. Through the rest of the afternoon, temperatures will keep warming. We'll eventually make it into the low 80s in Lincoln. Look for a high of 82, up to 88 degrees in Beatrice, and even low 90s further to the south and east, and then 70s to near 80 degrees off to the northwest. If you need to get yard work done, today's fine. In fact, I think today's probably the best day of the next 4 to do yard work because heat and humidity return for tomorrow. It's going to be dry for the most part. There will be a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm Wednesday evening. Thursday morning will be fine. Thursday evening, we're watching for some strong to severe thunderstorms to develop, and those could linger to early Friday morning, keeping the grass wet, and Friday afternoon should be fine. Tomorrow, temperatures will be running upwards of 20 degrees above normal, forecasting a high of 93. The record is 94 for tomorrow, set back in 2000. And when you factor in the humidity, we're likely to have heat indices into the mid-90s. As I mentioned, there will be a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm developing tomorrow afternoon in the heating of the day. And then on Thursday, we're going to watch out to the central part of the state for thunderstorms to get going by early evening. And Stormcast shows you that by 5, 6 o'clock, we start to see thunderstorms starting to fire up. This will eventually form a line that moves off to the east, and some of those could produce some damaging winds. The Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk of severe weather for the eastern half of the state. And again, this is mainly for Thursday night, probably up through 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning. Forecasting 92 degrees Thursday afternoon, 81 degrees by Friday as it starts to feel more comfortable. The humidity begins to drop. We've got cooler temperatures around for the weekend of highs in the 70s. Maybe a spotty shower around Saturday afternoon. Probably a better chance for some scattered showers as we start next week with a high of 76 on Monday. And then we start warming up just a little bit closer to 80 degrees by Tuesday and Wednesday, and then mid-80s as we head out towards May 19th.